How to fix EC anti-cheat error code 30005 could not start the game. First step, open Epic Games Launcher, click it, click Library option, click the three dot icon, click Manage and click the installation folder, click it, click Fortunate Game folder, Binary folder, Win64 folder, EC anti-cheat folder and click the EC anti-cheat setup, double click it. It should run like this. Do it for 2 to 3 times. Once complete after, close it. Then one more time click the three dot icon, click Manage, click Verify Files and wait for some times. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So be patient. The verification is ongoing. Completed. Once complete after, move on with next step. Search for Device Manager, click it, click Display Adapters and right click the drivers, click Update Drivers. You can update the driver by using this method or else you can check the drivers here, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. These are the two methods. Then search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click Allow an app or features for Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings, scroll down and search for Epic Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. Scroll down and search for Fortnite. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's the application not having means, click Allow another app and browse the application. Go to C drive, Program Files, Epic Games. You get the application. If you go to the Fortnite folder, you get the Fortnite application. If you go to the Launcher folder, you get the Epic Games Launcher application. Click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click Add and click OK in the bottom side. Close it. Then move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click Run as administrator and type the following text: sfc /scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. The verification is ongoing. Once complete after, can exit it and move on with next step. Close it. Then click Settings. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click Display Settings. Click Graphics Settings. Scroll down and check for Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite. If the application not having means, you need to click Add Desktop App and add it. And open the Epic Games Launcher. The GPU preferences depends on you. You can set depends on your device, but optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure both Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite and close it and restart the device. Thank you.